ballin' like rage. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep it packed, never hop in the jet. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today, not only am I going to be showing you how to get a tapered hairline, but I'm going to be telling you how the barber slightly messed up my hairline. Now you see how this side is even and shaped up? All my baby hairs is slickly laid down. However, I don't know if this nigga sneezed or something. Bro, look what this nigga did. He accidentally shaved too much hair off. This is why I tell you niggas. Number one, go to your barber. I don't give a fuck if your barber's sick. I don't give a fuck if he died. I don't give a fuck. You better bring that nigga back to life. Number two, always stay awake. I don't give a fuck if you tired, you want to take a nap. I don't give a fuck. Stay awake. If you go to sleep, anything is bound to happen, my nigga. You might wake up and your shit might be looking like the McDonald's sign. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. He's shaving it. Number three, always go to the niggas that don't speak English, bro. I'm telling you, your hairline is gonna be crispy. I remember I was in a barbershop, right? And I was like, Poppy, I want a tapered hairline. Take a little bit off the front and shape it up. Bro, when I tell you, this nigga said, oh, I thought my life was over, bro. I thought my hairline flashed before my eyes. But when this nigga was done, my shit looked crispy, bro. Like, I need y'all niggas to understand, you can see my hairline from down the block, my nigga. My shit was so sharp. Mexican niggas was getting jealous. Cause you know Mexican niggas always got the crispy hairline. I see them staring and shit, whispering and shit. However, I'm going to be doing a hair care treatment using black castor oil. This oil helps your hair grow extremely fast. I'm going to be using this oil to grow my tapered hairline back very fast. So stay tuned. Get it?